Furnished in Closet. So today is going to be my new office space video. I'm going to show you the things that I have in my new office space, and I'll put in the description where I purchased them from, and if I remember the cost of them, I would also put that. So I'm going to take a break here, and I'm going to switch the camera around, and each item that I show you I'm going to point to, and I'll let you see that. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you again. Furnished in Closet. It does not cost a fortune to redecorate a space. I will show you my new area that was very affordable. Save them coins, but keep it cute. Okay, so I want to show you my office space that I redid. So I'm going to try to remember all the places that I got this from. So that was from the Dollar Tree. This was from the Dollar Tree also. Between Dollar Tree and Dollar General, okay? So Dollar Tree, that was a gift from a friend. It's a music box. Dollar Tree. That's my mommy. Little picture frame. I don't remember where I got that from. Dollar Tree. This here was a giveaway on a YouTuber channel. It's actually perfume, and it's a little stiletto shoe. And that was from Glamour Queen Ryo. Okay. I don't remember where I got the stones from. It was from a site. This also is the same place, and these candles are the Dollar Tree. So, Dollar Tree, all the candles are a Dollar Tree. These little things back there and the stones, the little candles there are the Dollar Tree. This box, I do not remember where I got it from. This jewelry box, I believe I got from JCPenney's. Okay, most of the stuff is from the Dollar General, except for these little head pom-poms. They are from the Dollar Tree, but everything else was from Dollar General, and they were 50 cents. Yes, everything on that shelf there was 50 cents. Okay, here is my YouTube pillow. Also, I won it in a YouTuber's channel. They were doing a giveaway, and that was Flower Glamorous. This here I actually got from Aldi's. It's a food store, and it was $8.99. So it's a little box with you get letters with it. This sign here and this sign here, also from Dollar General, and the little stand was from the Dollar Tree. This little box was from the Dollar General. I think it was like $3. My little pom-poms were $1 from the Dollar Tree. So that is my little office space, and the shelves, which are beautiful. If you can see the little X on them, they're really, really cute. They were from Wayfair, and I believe it's about $180 to $200. And this one here was about $150. This little shelf here, $150 to $180 or something like that. So that is my little redo office space. And then this here, my son gave me. It's a backdrop, and I believe he got it from Amazon. So that's it, and I actually am enjoying my little updated space. It works for me, and I think it is very, very cute. So I'm going to stand back to see if I can get a full shot of it, and I think it's really nice. Here's a little stand, and I believe I got from the Dollar General for about $6, and that just sits on the top. Look how cute that is. So yeah, guys, that's all you need to do. Next are close-up shots of some of the shelving space. This picture is my tripod and 2 boxes that I got from Dollar General for about $3 a piece. These 2 shelves were $1 a piece from the Dollar Tree. A full shot of the shelves again from top to bottom. Before and after shot of the desk. So when I first had it and started my YouTube channel till now, what it looks like today. Hey guys, I also have a Spreadshirt shop. We are now offering masks. Right now I have them in the color of white writing and pink writing. If you want to see a different color, so head on over to my Spreadshirt shop store and order yours today. Thanks. Hey guys, check out the beautiful business cards. Aren't they cute? They will be here shortly. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Please share this video out, like it, thumbs it up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you know when I go live or when I upload videos. Thank you.